Here's your guide to finding the linear nth term. A linear sequence is any sequence that increases or decreases by the same amount. In our first example, we can see that the sequence is increasing by 5 each time. In order to work out the nth term, we start off by writing another sequence that increases by 5 each time, namely the 5 times table. Now the 5 times table can be written as 5n, because each number in the 5 times table is 5 times a number. Therefore 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, and so on. So any number in the 5 times table, or the 5 times table itself, can be written as 5n. In order to work out the second part of our answer, we need to look and see what we are doing to each number in the 5 times table to get back to the number in the sequence. So here each time we are adding 4 to the numbers in the 5 times table to get back to the numbers in the sequence. So we say that this sequence is 5n plus 4. For the next sequence, this is increasing by 7 each time. So we write down underneath the 7 times table. Now the 7 times table, just as before, can be written as 7n. We then do the same. What do we do to each of the numbers in the 7 times table to get back to the number in the sequence? Well, to get from 7 to 3, we take away 4. We check and make sure we do the same to the others, each time taking away 4. So the sequence can be written as 7n take away 4. In the next example, you can see that the numbers are actually decreasing this time. In fact, they're going down by 8 each time. Therefore, underneath, we write the minus 8 times table. It's basically the 8 times table with a minus in front. Because this is the minus 8 times table, it is known as minus 8n. We do the same thing again. How would I get from minus 8 up to 30? Well, to get from minus 8 up to 30, I'd have to add 38 each time. Same goes for each of the other numbers in the sequence. So we would say minus 8n plus 38. Now that sequence can actually also be written as 38 minus 8n. It's a choice of preference as to which one you want to write down. This next sequence is decreasing by 2 each time. So we write the minus 2 times table underneath. And so we'd have that as minus 2n. What do we do each time to get from the number in the times table to get back up to the sequence? Well, to go from minus 2 up to 15, we'd have to add 17. So we get a sequence of minus 2n, add 17, or 17 minus 2n. All we're doing is swapping the two terms over so that we don't have a negative at the start.